Hello everybody, in today's video I'm showing you how to contact Cash App customer support the right way. If you're facing issues like failed payment, unauthorized transaction, account lock, refund problem or the login trouble, Cash App support can help, but only if you know where and where to reach out them safely. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll explain support step by step. So first you need to open to the Google Chrome and select Cash App support. Type down Cash App support and enter it. So over here we could see on the search there's an option for the Cash App support. Select to the Cash App support right over here. So it only says if you want any, so you can also search any of the problem that you're facing over here. You can search it, but if you want any personalized help, you can simply log in and scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this option for the contact us. If you want to directly call, you can get this number over here. You can dial this number, but if you want to chat, you can select to this chat right over here and you can chat to the Cash App customer support. And that's it. That's how you can safely and properly reach Cash App customer support. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy app tutorials. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.